Welcome to the fascinating world of digital signal processing, or DSP, as the tech-savvy among us like to call it. Now you might be wondering, why should we care about DSP? Well, it's the invisible force that powers a shocking amount of our modern technology. It's the silent wizard behind your smartphone's voice recognition, the unseen genius that makes your Wi-Fi work, and the invisible hand that guides your GPS. In essence, DSP is a game changer. So, what's the secret sauce behind DSP? It's a concept called sequences. Now, it might sound like something straight out of a math textbook, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step. Imagine a series of numbers, one following the other in a specific order. That's essentially what a sequence is. In the realm of DSP, sequences play a pivotal role. They represent the digital signals that we want to process. Each number in the sequence corresponds to a point in time. The first number represents the signal at the first point in time, the second number represents the signal at the second point in time, and so on. But here's where it gets interesting. These sequences don't just exist in the time domain, they can also be represented in the frequency domain. This helps us understand how different frequencies contribute to the overall signal. And this, my friends, is where we start to see the true power of DSP. So, we've got our sequence and we've represented it in the time and frequency domains. Now what? Well, now we can start to manipulate it. We can enhance certain parts of the signal, suppress others, and even extract valuable information. All this is possible thanks to a set of mathematical tools and algorithms that form the backbone of DSP. But remember, sequences are not just simple lists of numbers. They are complex structures with various properties. Each sequence has a length, which is the total number of elements in the sequence. It also has an amplitude, which is the maximum value of the elements. Additionally, sequences can be finite or infinite, depending on whether they have a limited or unlimited number of elements. So, to sum it up, sequences are the beating heart of DSP. They represent the digital signals that we want to process. By representing these sequences in different domains and manipulating them using various tools, we can achieve a wide range of outcomes. Whether it's enhancing your voice call quality, improving your Wi-Fi signal, or guiding your GPS, it's all thanks to the power of sequences in DSP. So the next time you're using your favorite gadget, take a moment to appreciate the silent genius of DSP and the power of sequences. It's more than just numbers, it's the language of our digital world.